We will show you how to install your Bardoline roof in a few easy steps. To install Bardoline products, you will need the following tools: a knife, a hammer, a set square, fastening screws, and an adhesive mastic such as Mastic. Personal safety in a work environment is important. Also, I would recommend that you wear gloves and safety glasses and work on a stable support. Before getting started, check the structure of your roof. Bardoline products are recommended for either full deck with a minimum slope of 15%. Make sure your roof is perfectly clean. To install Bardoline, first calculate the number of shingles you will need, considering both the overlapping and the slope of your roof. A bundle will cover 3 square meters. For this shed, which has a roof area of 7 square meters, you will need 3 bundles. Please add 15% more for cut and ridge. We are going to install a shingle. This one is already cut. Fix the first raw and nails at the psoas edge. Then, put another strip on the first line to ensure watertightness. Nail on the black strip. If the water is cold, reinforce the bonding action by applying Mastic. Carry on fixing the second row. To do this, shorten the strip by a tab. Start at the end of the slim cap. For the third row, use a shingle and fix it. Repeat the same process for the whole roof. Once all shingles are placed on your roof, install the ridge. Cut each strip into 4 pieces and cut out the trapezoidal top. Position the strip on the adhesive point and nail on the next overlap. The overlap is done in the opposite direction of the prevailing winds. That's it! The installation of your Bardoline roof is now finished. To conclude, here are some remarks I want to share with you. To calculate the number of square meters needed to cover your roof, you must take into account the consumption of the ridge, about 15% more including cut. To keep the brightness of the colour through the years, regularly maintain your roof by removing vegetation and taking care of evacuations. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact our technical department.